can you deep that I have just managed to create an app? I was just playing it on my phone and it's functioning. I didn't know that technological advancements had actually come this far. When I first came across Replit, I honestly couldn't believe what I had just come across. I don't know about you guys, but in my recent years, I have been wanting to build and create an app. Like, that whole world is so fascinating to me. In fact, I actually started making relevant inquiries because I was dead set on building an app for my starter kit, a place where people can, download the app and I can upload content as well as interacting with the participants that are part of the starter kit. I just thought that that would be the perfect next stage in my entrepreneurial journey. Or I simply wanted to create a game, something simple but addictive, maybe something you could play at Christmas or games night. I love me an addictive game, and I'm sure it's not only me, but I have always thought that building a mobile app was way out of reach, but it seems like with Replit that is no longer an issue. Today I am going to take an idea of a game, I'm going to describe it in plain language, and I'm going to turn it into a working mobile app, one that I can actually run on my phone and one that I could potentially upload to App Store. And you could decide for yourself whether you agree with my first statement in this video. Coming across Replit, incredible. My name is Tani G, and on this channel I like to share everything business, tips, tricks, gems, along with what I've learned along the way in my entrepreneurial journey. For most people, mobile apps actually stop at the idea, and it's not because the idea is bad or anything. It's because it's like, okay, so I've got this idea, but where do I go from here? The process feels intimidating. There are loads of unfamiliar concepts unless you're obviously in the game, and a ton of work that needs to be done in order to actually create something that works reasonably well. Replit now allows you to build an app by describing what it is you want. So basically, you can start with an idea, explain that idea, and the app starts being created. And best of all, you get to see it, you get to interact with it, and you can refine this app as you go in order to actually get yourself to that perfect app that you can then upload onto App Store. So let's jump straight into my laptop and we are going to build an app together in this video. So I am going to keep it simple, really simple, because I actually want to go through the entire process in this video. And I'm sure a lot of you have probably heard of this game. I know at one point I was absolutely addicted to this game, but this is a game that I'm going to create using Replit and see what kind of app it's gonna create for me. So I'm on the Replit browser right now, and the prompt that I'm going to go with is create a simple swipe to slide game. Baguettes fall from the top of the screen. Swiping slices them and increases the score. Missing a baguette reduces your lives. You're given 3 lives. Add basic animation and sound. So that's gonna be our starting point. Let's see what happens. So I've put in my prompt here and I'm gonna click start. So as you can see here, there's this sort of chat kind of thing, and they are beginning to create this app. They are planning to build. So over here, if I click these 3 dots, I can actually see what they have been doing. So I can see an image that they've generated. So I'm assuming that this is the baguette that's going to be falling. I have absolutely no idea what the rest of this means, but that is not my business anyway. At the end of the day, I just want to see my app. So it's come up with a name for my game and it's called it Baguette Ninja. The app is now running. Give it a try. Swipe fast to slice those baguettes. If you're ready to share it, just click publish. So as you can see over here, this is what the game looks like. It's got the instructions over here and it's got like a little leaderboard, so kind of gives you an idea as to what the leaderboard would look like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play the game and see how it works. Oh my gosh, those are falling very fast. So straight off the back, I have some instructions. Those baguettes are falling way too quickly. So over here, I'm going to type baguettes are falling too, please adjust. and I'm gonna send in that prompt and see the corrections that they are able to make. And just like that, Replit is back to work. So as you can see, it said here that I've slowed down the begets and now they fall about half the speed and the difficulty ramps up more gradually. And it's asking me, how does it feel now? So I'm gonna click here and start the game and assess how slowly the begets fall. And they are falling a lot slower, which I am happy about. So obviously this is gonna be a mobile app, so we need to know how it's gonna function on my mobile. So I'm just gonna click here, and as you can see, a QR code comes up. And I'm just gonna scan it with my phone. And as you can see here, the app is now on my phone and I can actually play it on my phone and see how well that's gonna work. And in all honesty, guys, it is working really well. And this is the first time I'm actually going to hear the audio that they have put on the game. Oh my gosh, the bagels are falling faster and faster. My score is 900. Can you deep that I have just managed to create an app? Well, not me, but Replit has managed to create me an app that actually works. I was just playing it on my phone and it's functioning. Obviously, I can go back into Replit, I can refine a couple of bits. I can say, okay, I want my my baguettes to look a little bit more realistic. I could go in, I could tweak whatever I want. And once I am completely happy with the app, I can actually go ahead and upload it onto App Store. And there's a clear pathway as to how that all works. So what you would basically need to do is connect an Apple developer. So you would sign in with your Apple ID to enable App Store publishing. You'd obviously get Replit to build your app and then you could submit it. Replit literally handles everything automatically. Your app is then delivered to Test Flight for testing, and from Test Flight you can submit your app to the public via App Store. So yes, guys, we have just built an app together in minutes. You saw it happen. You saw me play with the app, and it's not just about speed. It's about how accessible this is, how in reach this is, how basically anyone could do it. You just need an idea. Now, I actually want to sit down, right? I want to sit back and really think about what this world needs, what App Store needs, what kind of like game, what kind of next winning game I can create that I can then upload to App Store and watch those downloads come in. Guys, a dream. So I am going to have Replit linked in my description and in my pinned comment. Try it out, guys. Have some fun. Let your creativity run wild. Live your childhood dream. Which reminds me, I have an app. Oh my gosh, I have an app that I'm gonna create. You never know. You might be on the next winning app in 2026, maybe the next Temple Run, maybe the next 2048. Who knows? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna have Replit linked. Definitely check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something, discovered something, and yeah, I'm just all about giving you guys gems, just throwing them out at you. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my very next video. Bye.